Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an accessory that could take your iPad experience to a whole new level. It's the Typecase Touch iPad 9th generation case with keyboard and multi-touch trackpad. Stay tuned to find out how this versatile keyboard case can transform your iPad into a productivity powerhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to the Typecase Touch keyboard case, a game-changer for iPad users. This versatile case is compatible with a range of iPad models, including the latest iPad 9th Gen and many more. Let's jump into what makes this keyboard case so special. One of the standout features of the Typecase Touch is its precision trackpad. It allows you to navigate your iPad with multi-gesture controls, redefining productivity. Whether you're editing documents, browsing the web, or building presentations, this trackpad will make your tasks a breeze. Typing on the Typecase Touch is a dream come true. The laptop-like keyboard boasts a full row of iPadOS shortcuts, ensuring you can work efficiently. But that's not all. Imagine typing in low light or the dark with an adjustable 10-color RGB LED backlight that shines through the laser-etched keys. It's both functional and stylish. Now, here's where the Typecase Touch truly shines. This case offers an incredible 7 use modes, thanks to its patented 360 degrees hinge that has undergone rigorous stress testing. Whether you're typing notes, watching videos, or simply using your iPad in tablet mode, this case has got you covered. The Typecase Touch doesn't stop at functionality. It's packed with smart features. Its premium hard shell design protects all sides of your iPad, ensuring it stays safe. Plus, it's designed with convenience in mind. The auto sleep-wake function conserves your iPad's battery life, and there's even a dedicated holder for your Apple Pencil, so it won't get lost or become an obstacle. In conclusion, the Typecase Touch iPad 9th generation case with keyboard and multi-touch trackpad is an accessory that can transform your iPad into a productivity powerhouse. With compatibility for multiple iPad models, a precision trackpad, illuminated typing, versatility in use modes, and smart features, it's a must-have for iPad users. If you found this review helpful and informative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Have any questions or thoughts about this fantastic keyboard case? Feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time, I'm your host, signing off. Stay tech savvy, and stay tuned for more exciting reviews.